1 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yan. Yan na si workshop, lumabas na workshop. Pag lumabas na yan, ignition on natin in second position. Yan. Tapos scroll down, hanapin natin si assist plus. Yan, si assist plus. Then okay, then full service, tapos confirm service, well grade. Kahit dito tayo sa yan, yes, confirm, full service completed. Okay na to. Okay, back. Tapos check natin sa service kung nagbago na. Ayan, okay na to. Start.